Hi teachers, we're back with another instructional routine that you could use as a teaching tool with your students. To access this activity, simply enter this 8-digit code from the Brainningcamp homepage. Students will be representing a random number to 99 in a variety of ways. First, we will represent that number with base 10 blocks. Click to add rapidly. Click the eye on the cover tool to check your work. You can show students that when a 10 is decomposed as 10 ones, the standard form does not change. Next, we will complete the expanded form. The number inputs are color-coded to match the base 10 blocks. Double-clicking on the word type will allow you to enter the word form. Use the arrow to find the approximate location on the number line. Move the yellow square to your number on the 100 board. Move the green squares to help students determine one more and one less. Move the red squares for one less and 10 less. I hope your students enjoy this activity. Next week, I'll share similar video lessons for larger numbers and decimal place value. Thanks for everything you do as teachers. Have a great day.